This is my Mossberg 940 Pro Tactical. Been having issues extracting the shot shells out of the mag tube into the loading port and eventually chambering around. It doesn't matter if I use low brass or high brass shot shells, I get the same result. Let's first try the low brass. If I load 2 rounds, it will cycle perfectly fine. As you can see, sometimes it even gets stuck. The operating handle and bolt is stuck in the closed position, and I'm unable to extract that shot shell out of the barrel. And there you go, eventually it comes out. So let's try the high brass shot shell. Again, loading into the loading port, into the mag tube. Second one, pull the operating handle back. It should load the shot shell out of the mag tube, loading port, and into the chamber, which it does. Cycles the next one. Chamber's empty, or loading port's empty, bolts locked back in place. If I loaded more than 2 rounds, the charging handle will just stay locked back in place. Alright, this is the 4th round. I'm going to pull the operating handle back. It should extract a shot shell out of the mag tube, loading port, and the bolt should just ride home and chamber around, which it does. And there you go, it's stuck. There's one in the loading port, which is only loaded in halfway. As you can see, the shot shell is getting hung up on the part of the bolt release there. That's not allowing to disengage the bolt to slide forward and chambering around. So I either have to push the bolt release to let it slide forward, or push up on the elevator here. And as you can see again, bolt is stuck in the closed position. I have to force it multiple times. And eventually eject the shot shell. And the next one is again loaded and stuck. Push the bolt release, it chambers around. It ejects it. Loading port, still one shot shell. And there you go. I'm going to try it again and load another 4 of the high brass. There's another high brass shot shell into the mag tube. It's 2, 3, 4. It doesn't load it, it's stuck there. Push up on the elevator and it releases the bolt. Again, repeat the process. If I do only 2 rounds, it seems to work okay. There's one in the chamber, and let's load one in the mag tube, which cycles perfectly if there's only 2 loaded into the loading port and chamber. I also tried to clear the mag tube via the instructions in the manual, page 19, by pushing up on the elevator with the barrel fully forward. Push up on the elevator and depressing the bolt release. That should allow the shot shell to release from the chamber and release from the mag tube and remove it. As you can see, you have the elevator up, pushing on the bolt release. Nothing's happening. Looks like the hook here, that's part of the bolt release, is still preventing the shot shell from releasing in the mag tube. In order for me to remove that, I have to push on the inside of this hook here, and then the shot shell pops out, but it gets hung up on the lip of this elevator tube. Excuse me, the elevator, and I then have to push up and shot shells out.